Top 5 Trends Reshaping HVAC in 2025. The HVAC industry is evolving rapidly in response to climate change, energy demands, and smart technology integration. 1. Connected HVAC systems are now using IoT sensors and AI to monitor usage, predict maintenance needs, and optimize performance in real time, leading to better efficiency and lower operational costs. 2. Sustainability is no longer optional. Energy-efficient equipment, eco-friendly refrigerants, and green certifications like LEED are becoming standard in new and retrofitted HVAC projects. 3. Driven by global carbon reduction goals, traditional gas-based systems are giving way to electric heat pumps and hybrid solutions that reduce emissions while still delivering comfort. 4. Post-pandemic awareness has made IAQ a top concern. Demand is rising for advanced filtration systems, UVC sterilization, and real-time air quality monitoring, especially in schools, hospitals, and offices. 5. Building Information Modeling (BIM) is now crucial in HVAC planning, enabling better coordination, accurate 3D modeling, clash detection, and efficient project delivery across MEP disciplines. The HVAC industry is not just about heating and cooling anymore. It's about sustainability, intelligence, and adaptability. Professionals who stay ahead of these trends will lead the next generation of climate-smart infrastructure.